So you've got your transcript in Notta. Awesome. But what if there are typos, extra filler words, or names that need fixing? In this video, I will show you how to quickly edit your transcripts in Notta AI so that it's clean, accurate, and easy to use. All right, let's start. Before making edits, it helps to listen along. Just hit the play button at the bottom and Notta will highlight the text as it plays.
Welcome to Notta. We're thrilled to have you on board. Let's explore how Notta can improve your workflow and enhance your productivity.
Needs to speed things up? Click here to adjust the playback speed.
Whether you need to transcribe a file, a YouTube video, or even a live recording, Notta has got you covered. Simply upload your file.
Pro tip: if you want to edit a specific part, just hover over that section, click the play button next to it, and Notta will start playing from there.
Simply upload your file and watch as your audio is transformed into text with remarkable accuracy.
Now, if you spot a typo or incorrect word, double-click on the text and start typing. It's simple as that. Notta automatically saves your changes, so no need to worry about losing your edits. Got the same mistake appearing throughout? Instead of fixing each one manually, click on this Find and Replace button. Type in the word you want to correct, add the replacement, and boom, fix them all in one go. While reviewing the text, you can also tag important sections for easy reference later. Just hover over a part of the transcript, click the bookmark item, and choose a tag like key point or to do. If the sentence feels out of place, you can organize it better. To merge two sections, just place your cursor at the start of the block and hit backspace. To split a block, on the other hand, click where you want the break and press enter. Finally, Notta might sometimes assign the wrong name to a speaker. For example, it might label something as spoken by B when it's actually said by A. No worry, you can fix this. Just click on the speaker label, type in the correct name, and hit enter. And that's it. Now you know how to edit a transcript in Notta like a pro. If this was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.